Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to make a logo pop out like this. To do this you need CapCut video editor and image editor app like Canva or Logopit. You can download these apps from App Store or Play Store. Okay, let's begin. First open CapCut and import the video. Get to the frame where you want to start the animation and tap split. Then tap freeze. This will create a still image of the selected frame, as if the video is paused. Take a screenshot of the still image. Go to the screenshot, crop out the logo and save it. It's a little blurry, right? Don't worry, we'll fix it later. Open your image editor, then import the screenshot. By the way, you can use any photo editor you want. We only needed to remove the background of the logo. Carefully erase the background until all that's left is the logo. You might want to use the Auto Remove tool. Don't forget to subscribe my channel to get video editing tutorials like this one. After you're done, make sure to save it in PNG format. This will keep the background of the image transparent. Now, return to CapCut. Tap Overlay and import the image you just saved. Increase the saturation, sharpness, and contrast to match the logo and background. Adjust its size and position until it perfectly overlaps with the logo in the main track. Add keyframes at the beginning, middle, and end of the overlay. Go to the middle keyframe and zoom in the logo to enlarge it. To ease the motion of the logo, go between the first and the second keyframes and tap the little graph button and select. Ease out 1. Again, go between the second and the third keyframes. Tap the graph button and select. Ease in 3. In the main track, tap the final clip and tap animation. Select turbulence. Set the duration to 0.3s. This will make the car shake as the logo lands back on the car, like this. You can also add filter to the freeze frame to make the popped out logo stand out. We're almost done. The final work is to add effect. Select lens and then choose Smart Sharpen. Then adjust the blur, range, and filter options to further match the overlaid logo with its background. Then tap Object and select Overlay. This will apply the filter only to the overlaid clip. Again, add another effect to make the logo glow. To do this, tap Effect, Scanning, and choose Blu-ray Scanning. Tap Object and then Overlay. You can also add motion blur and other effects. Finally, export your work.
Okay, let's go.
Thanks for watching. If you want to get more video editing tutorials, subscribe.